In this video I'm going to show you how to find and get Add Yours sticker on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. You can go to your App Store and check if this button is open. If it will be update, just tap on update button and get the latest version of Instagram application. That is important because Add Your sticker is quite new Instagram feature. Then open up your Instagram and make a swipe from left to right to begin creating your story. Let me make some short video, and then select this sticker icon right here at the top, and here it is, Add Your sticker. I select that. If you don't get this sticker at the very top, you can see it on that screen. You can use search bar right here, type here Add Yours, find that sticker, select that, write here some prompt, I'll write test, and then tap done. That's it. Now you can change the position of that sticker, you can rotate it if you want, and when you're done you can continue creating your story as you normally do. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.